Hi, I'd like to tell you about these lights. There's two pieces. They look like little trees, kind of. They're kind of like path lights a little bit, but they're solar. See, they've got the solar panels. So what you do when you first get them is you switch this little lever over to on, and then you want to set them out in the sun so that they can charge up the battery, and then they will glow at night after charging all day. So I just want to show you these two. These are really flexible, so you can do, a lot of different things with this. Also, these little guys pop off. So if you'd rather just have, just like little fairy lights almost, you could do that instead. So I have got this pot back here, and I plan to put these in that pot. So I'm gonna let these continue to charge in the sun, and then I'll show you what they look like when they're glowing. Okay, we've got two settings on the lights. We've got a solid light and we've got a blinking light, so we've got some versatility. The box also came with some stakes that go into the bottom of the flowers so that you can elevate them out of the pot or out of a pathway. So I'm just now rearranging and bending the stems, and they look really pretty in this pot of flowers.